This is how a cone jellyfish eats another one. Hello folks, welcome to a new video, where I will show you some of the beautiful moments in nature that will help you relax. I hope this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel. Let us start. Seals are like the dogs of the sea. This is a drone footage of a school of stingrays swimming off the coast of Australia. Here are some worms moving as one. This young barn owl is hearing thunder for the first time. Here is an incredible scale of the redwood trees in California. This wild seal is waiting for food from local fishermen. Here is an Ethiopian opal. This Cooper's hawk is cooling off on top of a sprinkler. This guy is slushing through a frozen forest, fresh snow. Here is a yawning lynx family. This is an incredibly diverse group of jellyfish. Here is a beautiful shot. Here is a bear fishing in the river. This iceberg is rolling over. Here is a gorgeous and rare golden possum. This is how snow in the wild looks so wonderful. Here is a gorgeous river of ice catching the afternoon sunlight. Here is an archerfish using a unique way to hunt its prey. This bald eagle calls aid after a fox tries to raid the nest. Here is how the sap from the dragon's blood tree looks like. This is how a lizard breathes underwater. Here is an owl gliding effortlessly between two people while flying 3 inches above the ground. This is how a long-wattled umbrellabird looks. That is all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments which part you liked the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Amuser channel if you would like to see more such videos. Later folks.